2025 Global Environment Solutions Challenge. Development of non-structural mortar with plastic waste, polyethylene, and construction waste. Current work focuses on producing bricks from plastic and construction waste. Step 1. First, we put Portland cement to heat. Step 2. Once the Portland cement is heated, add the selected aggregates. Continuously stir the mixture to distribute the heat. Keep heating until the mixture has completely melted. Keep stirring. The mixture should start melting and turning grayer until we get to have a black moldable paste. Step 3. Pour the mixture into the mold. To begin shaping it into a cube, compact the mixture to avoid leaving air voids. Application. This material could be implemented in 3D construction printers. For its implementation as a non-structural material, other areas of application are being studied, such as use of quarry waste, encapsulation of hazardous waste, masonry manufacturing, personal protective equipment. Thanks for watching.